are going to look into a chapter, and the name of the chapter is The Seed of Truth. Yes, I have been getting requests from my students to make a video on this chapter. So here I am with you, and this particular story has been taken from English Rose Class 4 book. Yes, this story is for class 4 students. Okay. So the seed of the truth. Everybody, all of you, please take the book and take a pencil so that you can note down all the necessary points that are very important for this chapter. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get into the chapter. See, read about a boy who was rewarded by the king for a special quality he had. So, the special quality, what is that quality? The quality is honesty. Okay, the quality is honesty. Long ago, Gandhara was ruled by the just and good-looking Vidyadhara. So Gandhara is the kingdom. Okay, and who was ruling over Gandhara? Vidyadhara was uh, the king of the Gandhara. And how was the king? The king was just and good-looking. Please mark it. The king was just and good-looking. His subjects were very happy. That means all the people of the kingdom were very happy. But as the king grew older, everyone got more and more worried. So, though everyone of the kingdom was very happy, but still they were worried when the king grew older. Why? The king did not have any children who could take over the reins of the kingdom after him. So this is the reason of their botheration कि वो जो किंग था उनका कोई अ, मतलब चिल्ड्रन या फिर चाइल्ड नहीं था. So it was the matter of botheration that who will be the next king after the death of King Vidyadhara. Okay. The king was an avid gardener. That means the king was an expert gardener. He spent a lot of time tending his garden, planting the finest flowers, fruit trees, and vegetables. So, as the king loved gardening, so most of his time he spent in the garden. And what does he do in the garden? Tending his garden, okay, planting the finest flowers, fruit trees, and vegetables. So these are the activities the king used to do in the garden, as he is fond of gardening. One day after he finished working in the garden, he proclaimed means he declared, he announced, I will distribute some seeds to all the children in the kingdom. कि मैं मेरे किंगडम का जितने सारे बच्चे हैं मैं सबको कुछ सीड दूंगा. Okay, the one who grows the biggest, healthiest plant within 3 months will become the prince of the princess. Okay. तो यहाँ पे ये बताया जा रहा है कि किंग ने एक दिन गार्डन में काम कर रहा था, तो वो काम करने के बाद किंग ने एक ऑर्डर दिया, एक घोषणा की कि मैं जितने सारे बच्चे हैं मेरे किंगडम में मैं सबको सीड दूंगा, और जो भी 3 महीने के अंदर सबसे बड़ा, बिगेस्ट एंड हेल्दीएस्ट पेड़ जो है वो उगा पाएगा, जो वही बनेगा मेरे बाद इस किंगडम का, यानी कि गांधारा का राजा. So this is the plan. Okay. The next day there was a long line of anxious parents and children outside the palace. Why? Because everyone wants to be the king. So all the children along with all the parents were very much worried. Okay, that who is going to be the next king. Everyone was eager to get a seed and grow the best plant. सबको एक सीड चाहिए था और सब कोई चाह रहा था कि वो सबसे अच्छा प्लान जो है वो ग्रो कर सके, क्योंकि जिसका पेड़ सबसे अच्छा होगा, हेल्दी होगा, वही विद्याधारा के बाद गांधारा का राजा बनेगा. पिंगाला इज वन ऑफ द विलेजर्स. ओके. पिंगाला अ पुअर फार्मर सन. सो पिंगाला का जो पिताजी है वो एक फार्मर था. Was among these children. Like the king, he too was fond of gardening. So the king was fond of gardening and Pingala was also fond of gardening and grew beautiful plants in the backyard. So जैसे किंग को पसंद था गार्डनिंग, उसी तरह पिंगाला को भी पसंद था गार्डनिंग, और अपने बैकयार्ड में यानी बिहाइंड द हाउस वहां पे बहुत सारा पेड़ जो है, फ्लावर का पेड़ जो है, प्लांट जो है वो ग्रो किया था. किसने? पिंगाला ने. ठीक है. He took the seed from the king and planted it in a pot with great care. So here we are getting the characteristic of Pingala, that he is very caring. Okay, so getting the seed from the king, he planted it with great care. Some weeks passed, कुछ हफ्ता बीत गया, and he plied it with water and manure. So कुछ हफ्ता बीत गया, तो फिर पिंगाला ने क्या किया, वो जो प्लांट है उस प्लांट में वाटर और मैन्योर भी उन्होंने दिया, बट द प्लांट डिड नॉट अपीयर। ओके, तो वो अपने तरफ से पूरा ट्राई कर रहा था कि कैसे वो एक अच्छा पेड़ ग्रो कर सके, and he tried his best, but the plant did not appear. Pingala tried changing the soil and transferred the seed to another pot. तो पिंगाला ने क्या सोचा, पिंगाला ने सोचा कि शायद जो सॉइल है वो खराब है, सो ही चेंज्ड द सॉइल एंड ही ट्रांसफर्ड द सीड टू अनदर पॉट। वो दूसरे एक पॉट में वो सीड जो है ट्रांसफर कर दिया। बट इवन बाय द एंड ऑफ 3 months नथिंग अपीयर्ड, लेकिन 3 महीने के बाद भी कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। At last, the day came when all the children had to go to the king to show the plant they had grown. So, it was the final day when all the children had to go to the king to show what they had grown. They started walking to the palace. सब कोई पैलेस की तरफ चलने लगा, dressed in their best, holding beautiful plants in their hand. And all the children were dressed in their best attire, and they all were holding beautiful plants in their hands. Only Pingala stood sadly. Why did Pingala stand sadly? Because he could not grow the plant for within 3 months. Okay, so only Pingala stood sadly, watching them go by. Pingala's father had watched his son working hard with the seed and felt sorry for him. और पिंगाला का जो पिताजी है, उन्होंने खुद देखा है कि पिंगाला कितना ट्राई किया है एक पेड़ ग्रो करने में। सो पिंगाला को देख के his father felt very sad. Why don't you go to the king with the empty pot? He suggested. At last he will know you tried your best. So पिंगाला का जो पिताजी है, is a good advisor. उन्होंने पिंगाला को कहा कि ठीक है, तुम पेड़ ग्रो नहीं कर सके, लेकिन तुम खाली हाथी तुम जाओ ना राजा के पास और उन्हें बताओ कि तुमने ट्राई किया है. At least he could see that you have tried your best. So Pingala too wore his best cloth and joined the others outside the palace, holding his empty pot in his hand and ignoring the laughter around him. So सारा बच्चा जो था सब कोई वहां पे लाइन देके खड़ा था, एक लाइन में खड़ा था और पिंगाला भी वहां पे खड़ा हो गया। ठीक है, सब कोई जितना सारा बच्चा था सब कोई बहुत खुश था और they were smiling, they were laughing, but Pingala could not laugh. Why? Because he was feeling very sad. Though he had tried a lot, but he could not grow a single plant. Even he transferred the seed to another pot. Even he changed the soil. Soon the king arrived and began his inspection. तो किंग आया और देखने लगा कि किसने कैसा पेड़ ग्रो किया है, प्लांट ग्रो किया है। The pots held flowers of different shades, beautiful and healthy, but the king did not look happy. So king ने ये कहा था कि जो सबसे अच्छा प्लांट ग्रो कर पाएगा वही राजा बनेगा। सो अब now the king is inspecting, okay, and he could see that all of them were carrying beautiful and healthy flower, but still the king was not happy to see the flowers. At the end of the line stood Pingala, और पिंगाला कहाँ पे खड़ा था? At the end of the line. And when the king reached him, he stopped in surprise. और जब किंग पिंगाला के पास पहुंचा, एकदम मतलब एस्टोनाइज्ड हो गया किंग और वहां पे रुक गया। चाइल्ड, व्हाई हैव यू कम विद एन एम्प्टी पॉट? कुड यू नॉट ग्रो एनीथिंग? फिर पिंगाला को पूछा किसने? राजा ने, कि बेटा तुम खाली हाथ क्यों आए हो? क्या तुमने प्लांट ग्रो नहीं कर पाया? Pingala looked down and said, "Forgive me, Your Highness. I tried my best. I gave it the best soil and manure I had, but the plant would not grow." फिर पिंगाला जो है वो क्षमा चाहता है राजा से कि मुझे आप माफ कर दीजिए, मैंने बहुत कोशिश किया, मैंने बहुत ट्राई किया, मैंने सबसे बेस्ट, सबसे अच्छा सॉइल दिया, सबसे अच्छा मैन्योर दिया, उसके बावजूद भी आई एम अनएबल टू ग्रो द प्लांट। नाउ द किंग्स फेस ब्रोक इनटू स्माइल। अभी ये देख के जो है किंग ने हंस दिया. दैट मीन्स दिस इज अ सेंस ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन. द किंग वॉज सेटिस्फाइड टू हियर और टू लिसन टू पिंगाला. ही enveloped पिंगाला. enveloped मीन्स यहाँ पे हक करना होता है, ठीक है. he enveloped पिंगाला in his arms and announced, here is the crown prince. वो पिंगाला को हक करके उन्होंने कहा कि ये रहा crown prince. I had given everyone roasted seeds. So this is the plan of the king, कि मैंने सबको रोस्टेड सीड दिया था, विच वुड नेवर ग्रो, जिसमें से पेड़ कभी हो ही नहीं सकता, प्लांट कभी हो ही नहीं सकता. Just to see which child was the most honest and one and would admit he or she had not been able to grow anything. तो मुझे बस ये देखना था कि सब बच्चों में से कौन ऑनेस्ट है जो कि आके मुझे ये कहे कि मैंने कोशिश किया लेकिन आई कुड नॉट ग्रो द प्लांट. ओनली दिस बॉय हु इज दिस बॉय? पिंगाला. ओके, पिंगाला. Okay. Only this boy told the truth. I am sure he will rule this kingdom one day with truth and honesty. बस यही एक बच्चा है पिंगाला जिन्होंने मुझे सच कहा. तो ये मेरा विश्वास है. आई डू बिलीव दैट पिंगाला वुड बी one day, पिंगाला would be ruling this kingdom with truth and honesty. And indeed that was what happened. और बाद में यही हुआ. When the king grew old and died, Pingala, who had learned everything from him, came to the throne and ruled Gandhara justly for many years. और किंग के देहांत के बाद, किंग जब उनका जब देहांत हो गया, उसके बाद पिंगाला ने थ्रोन पे यानी कि राजा के जो सिंहासन है उस पे बैठा और बहुत सालों तक उन्होंने विथ ट्रूथ एंड ऑनेस्टी जस्टली उन्होंने गंधारा के ऊपर आई मीन उस किंगडम को उन्होंने रूल किया. So this is the story. I hope it is quite clear to you. Still, if you have any question, if you want to know anything, you can write in the comment section or my number has been given. You can contact, no problem at all. Honesty. Okay, this is the theme of the story. Okay, so please, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a single update. मिलते हैं next video पे. Tata, bye bye and see you.